Alam mo ba kung saan pinapataba ang libo-libong baka? Araw-araw? Welcome sa Pinoy Feedlot Academy. Today super simple lang ang sagot. Ano ba talaga ang feedlot? Imagine a place na parang school. Pero instead of students, mga baka ang natututo kumain ng tama. Dito sila pinapalaki, pinapaganda ang kondisyon, at binibigyan ng exact nutrition para mabilis, healthy, at safe ang weight gain. May malalaking pens, may feeders, may nutrition team, may rations na scientifically balanced. Hindi basta-basta pakain. Every day, same time ang feeding. Same amount, same routine. Bakit? Kasi consistency, happy cattle, better growth. At ang pinaka-importante, hindi ito estilo ng karaniwang backyard farming. This is modern livestock management. At dito ako nagtrabaho ng more than 10 years. Kaya I'm here to explain it in the simplest Pinoy way. Para mas maintindihan natin kung paano gumagana ang world-class cattle production. A feedlot is simple. It's science, system, and care in one place. Gusto mo bang mas maintindihan kung paano gumagana ang feeding system dito sa Australia? Click follow, and I'll break it down in the next episodes.